Give you a live look across western Washington, Everett, Seattle, and Tacoma. Oh, kind of the same. A little gray out there, a few blue patches.
Yeah, small blue patches, lots of clouds. What does that mean for the rest of the week? Let's check in with meteorologist Leah Pezzetti.
You know what, Jessica, Greg, what we're seeing right now is completely different than what we're going to be seeing tomorrow. So yes, we do have a little bit of blue peeking out right now, but say goodbye to this because 24 hours from now, we are going to have pretty active weather in most of western Washington. So right now we're sitting at 55 degrees. We'll say goodbye to these mid-50s as well. As we head into the next few days, big cool down is heading our way. So we have this winter weather and we have cooler temperatures. For tonight, it will be cloudy and mostly dry. So we're still holding on to mild weather for just a little bit longer. But through our daytime hours tomorrow, we'll see increasing rain that carries over into Wednesday morning. So we have about 24 hours from tomorrow evening through Wednesday evening that we're talking about low-level rain and yes, mountain snow. It's looking like the first mountain snow of the season that will have impacts on the passes. A few flurries are possible tonight, but the big impacts as far as snow is concerned will arrive tomorrow evening and continue on through about Wednesday morning, wrapping up for the most part by Wednesday evening. And we can see as we take a look at our freezing levels the next couple of days. Tomorrow it's right around 3,000 feet, which is right around Snoqualmie's pass elevation. Wednesday, we drop down a little bit, so about 2,000 feet. And then as we head into the end of the week, we will see much cooler temperatures, but we're drying out a little bit during that time frame. So snow impacts don't look as significant for the end of the week. So as of this evening, we're mostly dry. We have a little bit of that sunshine peeking out, maybe a couple raindrops or even flurries overnight tonight just for the mountains. Overall, we're pretty mild tonight. As we head into tomorrow morning, we'll start to feel those impacts over the coast. So it does look like the Olympic Peninsula could see some rain as early as tomorrow morning. Then as we progress through our daytime hours into the afternoon, that fills in. It's widespread rain. We could start to see a few flurries over the mountains as of tomorrow afternoon, but it does look like tomorrow evening, right in time for that evening commute, are when we're going to feel those biggest impacts. We'll start to pile on that mountain snow and we'll start to see some moderate to even heavy rainfall for the lowlands. Then we progress through into overnight Tuesday night. We're going to start to dry out a little bit with rain, but we're going to continue to add on to that snow. Then by the time Wednesday evening rolls around, we're mostly dry. So it's really that 24-hour span. As far as snowfall totals are concerned, Snoqualmie probably around 6 inches of snow max. Stevens, maybe a little bit more than that, 6 to 8 inches looking possible. And temperatures will cool down into tomorrow. Daytime highs barely scraping the low 50s for most of western Washington. It is going to be cool out there. And that is just the beginning. We're going to see temperatures cooling down even more. So we can see that rain picking up during those daytime hours, peaking in the evening, and temperatures showing that we are going to see cooler conditions, 40s daytime highs for most of this upcoming week. Look at those overnight lows as we head into next week. We're talking about 30s. It's going to be a cold week ahead.